We'll be discussing the NVIDIA TensorFlow plugin and how it helps in optimizing deep learning workflows. Let's dive into question 31 to explore its functionality. Question 31. What is the function of the NVIDIA TensorFlow plugin? Here are the options. 1. To manage data storage. 2. To optimize TensorFlow models for NVIDIA GPUs. 3. To create video games. 4. To perform financial simulations. Explaining the correct answer. The correct answer is option 2, to optimize TensorFlow models for NVIDIA GPUs. The NVIDIA TensorFlow plugin is specifically designed to enhance the performance of TensorFlow models by leveraging NVIDIA GPU capabilities. It optimizes both training and inference processes, enabling faster computation, reduced latency, and better utilization of GPU resources. This is especially critical for large-scale AI and machine learning workloads. Explaining the incorrect options. Option 1. To manage data storage. Option 1 is incorrect. While TensorFlow can interact with data storage, the NVIDIA TensorFlow plugin focuses on optimizing GPU usage for deep learning, not managing storage systems. Option 3. To create video games. Option 3 is also incorrect. Video game development is supported by other NVIDIA technologies like GeForce or Omniverse, not the TensorFlow plugin. Option 4. To perform financial simulations. Option 4 is incorrect as well. Financial simulations may involve TensorFlow, but the NVIDIA TensorFlow plugin is aimed at improving GPU performance for machine learning tasks, not exclusively for finance. In summary, the NVIDIA TensorFlow plugin is all about enhancing the performance of TensorFlow models on NVIDIA GPUs, ensuring faster training and efficient inference. This makes option to the correct answer. I hope this explanation gave you a better understanding of the NVIDIA TensorFlow plugin and its role in GPU optimization. We'll focus on a framework that helps developers create, deploy, and manage AI applications in the cloud. Let's tackle question 32. Question 32. Which framework allows developers to create, deploy, and manage AI-based applications in the cloud? Here are the options. 1. NVIDIA Triton. 2. NVIDIA NGC. 3. NVIDIA Docker. 4. NVIDIA Rapids. Explaining the correct answer. The correct answer is option 2, NVIDIA NGC. NVIDIA NGC is a comprehensive catalog of GPU-optimized software containers, pre-trained models, and resources. It enables developers to streamline the development, deployment, and management of AI applications in cloud environments. With NGC, users can access tools and frameworks that are pre-configured to harness the power of NVIDIA GPUs, reducing setup time and accelerating workflows. Explaining the incorrect options. Option 1, NVIDIA Triton. Option 1 is incorrect. NVIDIA Triton Inference Server focuses on deploying and serving machine learning models in production environments, not on providing a complete framework for AI application management in the cloud. Option 3, NVIDIA Docker. Option 3 is also incorrect. While NVIDIA Docker helps containerize GPU applications, it is not a framework for creating and managing AI applications in the cloud. It complements frameworks like NGC by enabling GPU acceleration within containers. Option 4, NVIDIA Rapids. Option 4 is incorrect as well. NVIDIA Rapids is designed for GPU-accelerated data analytics and machine learning pipelines, not for managing AI-based applications in the cloud. Recap. In summary, NVIDIA NGC is the go-to framework for developers looking to create, deploy, and manage AI-based applications in the cloud. Its rich catalog of resources and GPU-optimized tools makes option to the correct answer. Outro. Thank you for watching. I hope this explanation clarified the capabilities of NVIDIA NGC. We are diving into NVIDIA AI Foundations and its main advantage. Let's jump into question 33. Question 33. What is the main advantage of using the NVIDIA AI Foundations platform? Here are the options. 1. Hardware optimization. 2. A customizable platform for building AI applications tailored to specific industry needs. 3. Game development tools. 4. Basic data analysis. Explaining the correct answer. The correct answer is option 2. A customizable platform for building AI applications tailored to specific industry needs. NVIDIA AI Foundations is designed to help businesses create and customize AI applications that are specifically aligned with their industry requirements. It provides pre-built frameworks, tools, and resources to accelerate the development process, making it easier for companies to integrate AI into their unique workflows and operations. Explaining the incorrect options. Option 1. Hardware optimization. Option 1 is incorrect. While NVIDIA offers hardware-focused platforms like DGX for optimization, AI Foundations is about building industry-specific AI applications, not hardware-level enhancements. Option 3. Game development tools. Option 3 is also incorrect. Game development is supported by tools like NVIDIA Omniverse, but AI Foundations focuses on enterprise-level AI application development tailored to industries like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. Option 4. Basic data analysis. Option 4 is incorrect as well. NVIDIA AI Foundations goes beyond basic data analysis by providing advanced AI frameworks and tools for creating robust, industry-specific AI solutions. In summary, NVIDIA AI Foundations offers a customizable platform for businesses to build AI applications tailored to their industry-specific needs, making option to the correct answer. We are talking about the NVIDIA Jetson platform and its primary focus. Let's tackle question 34. Question 34. What is the focus of the NVIDIA Jetson platform? Here are the options. 1. Cloud computing. 2. Edge AI and robotics. 3. Desktop gaming. 4. Data analysis. Explaining the correct answer. The correct answer is option 2. Edge AI and robotics. The NVIDIA Jetson platform is specifically designed for developing AI-powered applications at the edge. It's ideal for robotics, IoT devices, and other edge applications where real-time processing and decision-making are critical. Jetson's ability to provide GPU-accelerated computing at the edge makes it a leading choice for autonomous machines and intelligent devices. Explaining the incorrect options. Option 1. Cloud computing. Option 1 is incorrect. While NVIDIA offers platforms like DGX Cloud for cloud computing, Jetson is focused on edge devices, not centralized cloud environments. Option 3. Desktop gaming. Option 3 is also incorrect. NVIDIA has its GeForce platform for gaming, whereas Jetson is tailored for AI and robotics applications at the edge. Option 4. Data analysis. Option 4 is incorrect as well. While data analysis might be part of edge AI applications, Jetson's core focus is on enabling real-time AI processing for robotics and IoT devices rather than general data analysis tasks. In summary, the NVIDIA Jetson platform is all about edge AI and robotics, enabling developers to build AI-powered applications for real-time decision-making at the edge. Option 2 is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. I hope this session clarified the focus of the NVIDIA Jetson platform. We'll focus on libraries optimized for training recurrent neural networks. Let's get started with question 35. Question 35. Which library is optimized for fast training of recurrent neural networks, RNNs? Here are the options. 1. CUDNN. 2. TensorRT. 3. Rapids. 4. CUBLAS. Explaining the correct answer. The correct answer is option 1, CUDNN. CUDNN, which stands for CUDA Deep Neural Network Library, provides GPU-accelerated primitives for deep learning frameworks. It includes highly optimized routines for RNNs, making it ideal for tasks like natural language processing, speech recognition, and time series prediction. Its efficient computation speeds up both training and inference for RNNs. Explaining the incorrect options. Option 2, TensorRT. Option 2 is incorrect. TensorRT is an inference engine designed for optimizing and accelerating model deployment rather than training models like RNNs. Option 3, Rapids. Option 3 is also incorrect. Rapids is focused on GPU-accelerated data analytics and machine learning workflows, not specifically on training neural networks like RNNs. Option 4, CUBLAS. Option 4 is incorrect as well. CUBLAS is a library optimized for linear algebra operations, which are fundamental to machine learning but not tailored specifically for RNNs. In summary, CUDNN is the go-to library for training recurrent neural networks efficiently. Its specialized routines for RNNs make option 1 the correct choice. Thanks for watching. I hope this explanation clarified the role of CUDNN in training RNNs. We are tackling a question about the NVIDIA Aerial platform and what it supports. Let's jump in. Question 36. What does the NVIDIA Aerial platform support? Here are the options. 1. Cloud storage. 2. AI-driven telecommunications applications. 3. Financial forecasting. 4. Video game streaming. Explaining the correct answer. The correct answer is option 2, AI-driven telecommunications applications. NVIDIA Aerial is designed specifically for the telecommunications industry. It supports the development of AI-powered applications such as virtualized radio access networks, VRAN, network monitoring, and other telecom infrastructure solutions. By leveraging GPUs and AI, it helps enhance performance, reduce costs, and optimize network management for 5G and beyond. Explaining the incorrect options. Option 1, Cloud storage. Option 1 is incorrect. Cloud storage is not the focus of NVIDIA Aerial. While NVIDIA platforms like DGX Cloud support cloud-based operations, Aerial is tailored for telecommunications. Option 3, Financial forecasting. Option 3 is also incorrect. Financial forecasting is better suited to platforms like NVIDIA Rapids, which focuses on data analytics rather than Aerial's telecom-specific features. Option 4, Video game streaming. Option 4 is incorrect as well. While NVIDIA has technologies for gaming and streaming, such as GeForce Now, Aerial is unrelated and is aimed at telecom applications. In short, NVIDIA Aerial is a platform dedicated to AI-driven telecommunications applications, making option to the correct answer. We are answering a question about the NVIDIA DGX station and how it boosts efficiency for data scientists. Let's dive in. Question 37. What feature of the NVIDIA DGX station enables data scientists to work more efficiently? The options are multi-GPU support for parallel processing, cloud integration, automatic model generation, basic data visualization. Explaining the correct answer. The correct answer is option 1, Multi-GPU support for parallel processing. The NVIDIA DGX Station is a workstation specifically designed for AI and data science workflows. One of its standout features is its multi-GPU support, allowing data scientists to run complex computations across multiple GPUs simultaneously. This dramatically speeds up tasks like model training, testing, and experimentation, enabling quicker iterations and more efficient workflows. Explaining the incorrect options. Option 2. Cloud integration. Option 2 is incorrect. While the DGX Station is powerful, it is designed as an on-premises workstation, not primarily for cloud integration. If cloud functionality is required, the DGX Cloud is a more appropriate option. Option 3. Automatic model generation. Option 3 is also incorrect. The DGX Station does not generate models automatically. Instead, it provides the hardware power necessary for data scientists to train and optimize models efficiently. Option 4. Basic data visualization. Finally, option 4 is incorrect. While data visualization can be performed on a DGX station, it is not the primary feature that enhances efficiency. Its multi-GPU support is the key enabler for faster processing. In summary, the NVIDIA DGX Station's multi-GPU support is what makes it a game-changer for data scientists, enabling efficient parallel processing and accelerating AI workflows. That's why option 1 is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more videos on NVIDIA's incredible tools and technologies. See you next time. We'll explore how the NVIDIA Deep Learning SDK makes developers' lives easier. Let's get started. Question 38. How does the NVIDIA Deep Learning SDK enhance developer experience? The options are 1. By providing data management tools. 2. By offering easy-to-use APIs and pre-trained models. 3. By simplifying GPU resource allocation. 4. By focusing on virtual reality development. Explaining the correct answer. The correct answer is option 2, by offering easy-to-use APIs and pre-trained models. The NVIDIA Deep Learning SDK provides developers with a rich suite of tools and libraries designed for deep learning. These include intuitive APIs that simplify coding and development processes, along with pre-trained models that allow developers to quickly deploy solutions without starting from scratch. This significantly reduces the time and effort required to build robust deep learning applications. Explaining the incorrect options. Option 1. By providing data management tools. Option 1 is incorrect. While data management is an important aspect of AI workflows, it is not the primary focus of the Deep Learning SDK. NVIDIA Rapids, for example, is better suited for GPU-accelerated data processing and analytics. Option 3. By simplifying GPU resource allocation. Option 3 is also incorrect. While the SDK helps developers leverage GPU power effectively, its main contribution lies in providing tools and models for deep learning rather than managing GPU resource allocation, which is handled by frameworks like CUDA. Option 4. By focusing on virtual reality development. Finally, option 4 is incorrect. The Deep Learning SDK is not aimed at virtual reality development. NVIDIA's Omniverse, on the other hand, is more aligned with 3D simulation and VR-related tasks. In summary, the NVIDIA Deep Learning SDK enhances the developer experience by offering easy-to-use APIs and pre-trained models, enabling rapid development and deployment of AI solutions. That's why option 2 is the correct answer. We break down NVIDIA's technologies to help you excel in your AI and data science journey. Today, Let's discuss how NVIDIA's GPU-accelerated libraries benefit data science. Let's dive right in. Question 39. What is the primary benefit of using NVIDIA's GPU-accelerated libraries for data science? The options are 1. Increased reliance on CPU processing. 2. Enhanced processing speed and efficiency. 3. Simplified programming languages. 4. Reduced data storage requirements. Explaining the correct answer. The correct answer is option 2. Enhanced processing speed and efficiency. NVIDIA's GPU-accelerated libraries, like RAPIDS and CUDF, harness the parallel processing power of GPUs. This enables faster computations and efficient handling of large datasets, which are common in data science workflows. By reducing bottlenecks in data processing, these libraries dramatically enhance the overall speed and performance of your projects. Explaining the incorrect options. Option 1. Increased reliance on CPU processing. Option 1 is incorrect because these libraries are designed to offload tasks from the CPU to the GPU, significantly reducing the reliance on CPU processing. Option 3. Simplified programming languages. Option 3 is also incorrect. While NVIDIA libraries integrate well with existing programming languages like Python and C++, their primary focus is not on simplifying the languages but on enhancing performance. Option 4. Reduced data storage requirements. Finally, option 4 is incorrect. These libraries don't directly affect data storage requirements. Instead, they improve the speed and efficiency of processing the data you already have. In summary, NVIDIA's GPU-accelerated libraries excel at enhancing processing speed and efficiency, making option to the correct answer. These libraries empower data scientists to tackle complex problems faster and more effectively. We'll look at a critical question about high-performance computing, HPC, and NVIDIA's technology tailored for it. Let's dive right in. Question 40. Which NVIDIA technology is specifically designed for high-performance computing, HPC, applications? The options are 1. NVIDIA GeForce. 2. NVIDIA DGX. 3. NVIDIA Quadro. 4. NVIDIA Tesla. Explaining the correct answer. The correct answer is option 2, NVIDIA DGX. NVIDIA DGX systems are purpose-built for high-performance computing and AI workloads. They combine powerful GPUs with an optimized software stack to deliver exceptional performance for data-intensive tasks like simulation, deep learning, and scientific research. Explaining the incorrect options. Option 1, NVIDIA GeForce. Option 1 is incorrect. NVIDIA GeForce is primarily targeted at gaming and general-purpose graphics processing, not high-performance computing. Option 3, NVIDIA Quadro. Option 3 is also incorrect. NVIDIA Quadro is designed for professionals in graphics-intensive fields like CAD and 3D modeling but lacks the HPC focus of DGX systems. Option 4, NVIDIA Tesla. Finally, option 4 is a bit misleading. While Tesla GPUs were historically used in HPC, the branding has been replaced with NVIDIA A100 in DGX systems, which are more advanced and optimized for HPC and AI. In summary, NVIDIA DGX systems are specifically tailored for HPC applications, making option to the correct choice. These systems integrate hardware and software for unparalleled performance in demanding computational workloads.